this light bar up here, Can-Am's light bar was $1,000 or something crazy. I just went to Harbor Freight and bought their nicest light bar, and it came with a wiring harness that had a inline fuse, inline relay, switch, everything, and that thing is as bright as you'd ever want it. 200 bucks, done. I think I got these brackets off of Amazon, which you can see kind of contour to the Can-Am roll bar. You could search those, they're pretty easy to find. So I guess that's the first non-Can-Am accessory that I bought. One of the few. I just couldn't see paying for the exact same thing for $1,000 bucks.